The KosmoCare PowerFlex Ultra wheelchair stands out as a versatile and user-friendly motorized wheelchair crafted for comfort and portability, engineered to excel in diverse environments. The wheelchair's pneumatic tyres are crafted with precision, offering more than just mobility. They provide a sense of confidence and independence. Whether navigating through bustling city streets or exploring the great outdoors, these wheels ensure a smooth and stable journey. Our wheelchair is equipped with two 150 watts powered brushless motors, ensuring a robust and dependable performance. The vibrant, multicolored display keeps you informed about battery life, while dedicated buttons activate the horn and enable speed adjustments using the plus and minus buttons. With a maximum speed of 6 km/h, intuitive directional steering, including reverse, is effortlessly controlled by moving the joystick. The chair can be folded by a central folding brace located behind the backrest cushion and can easily be stored in the trunk of most vehicles. This chair offers flexibility with the option to use it manually or effortlessly switch to powered mode using the red levers located on the rear axle. The fixed anti-tip wheels are present to prevent wheelchair backward tipping on uneven terrain or inclines, enhancing stability and safety. The armrests can be adjusted and locked by simply pushing them backwards, providing convenience for user transfers. Adjusting power and speed settings is a breeze with the joystick controller, conveniently mountable for both left and right-handed control. It also includes a bottle holder for convenience. Featuring high-performance lithium batteries, totaling 12 amp-hours, our wheelchair delivers a range of approximately 20 kilometers on a single charge, ensuring it lasts throughout the entire day. With a robust weight capacity of 135 kilograms, rear suspension dampers absorb shocks effectively, ensuring a smoother, more stable ride on uneven surfaces. Our wheelchair prioritizes safety through its intelligent electromagnetic brakes. When the user releases the joystick, the brakes engage instantly, preventing rollback on slopes and offering precise control for a secure and reliable ride. The chair can also be operated remotely using the included Bluetooth remote control, so give your loved ones the convenience and freedom they deserve with the PowerFlex Ultra wheelchair from KosmoCare.